Welcome to our guide on creating a plywood table, a versatile and cost-effective DIY project. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to build a practical and stylish table using readily available materials. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of crafting your very own plywood table, a versatile and budget-friendly addition to your furniture collection. Imagine having a unique plywood table in your living room that not only showcases your creativity, but also serves as a functional piece of furniture. With our easy-to-follow instructions and expert tips, now you can see it can be jointed so easily without any effort. Finally, fix all the parts together with the help of nails and fav coal. Now you can see, after the paint, it's looking awesome and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and comment for any questions. Thanks for watching.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it.